Hello everyone, I'm Rich Noonan for Best of the Best Television, a program in which we travel all over America in search of our nation's best businesses. And we have found one of them today. Today on Best of the Best, the Houston Window story. Congratulations to the incredible team at Houston Window Experts in Houston, Texas, for winning national recognition from Best of the Best, and more importantly, for delivering gold standard customer service and workmanship for many years. At Best of the Best, we never tell a company owner that we are reviewing that company. We simply begin our research on any company the same way that most customers would these days. We read every word on the company website, everything we can find online about that company, and if we like what we see, we proceed with a full review. We love the Houston Window Experts story. At Best of the Best, we really value small family companies that become market leaders through old-fashioned hard work, integrity, superior customer service, and staying on the cutting edge of their industries. Houston Window Experts is that company. These guys do all kinds of windows. They carry virtually every high-quality brand you can think of. They are Houston's #1 dealer in Milgard windows and doors, for example, which is a great thing for clients. Milgard windows and doors have a ton of very high-quality choices. And the Houston Window Experts team installs more Milgard windows and doors than anyone else in this region because they can count on Milgard to deliver excellent products and stand behind them with excellent warranties. Houston Window Experts is the quintessential American family business success story. The owner, Jeff Ludy, appears in a nice video on the Houston Window Experts website in which he talks about getting into the window business because he loves helping people save money and giving them top quality windows at a fair price. But at Best of the Best, as much as we love videos produced by companies, we care most about what real customers of those companies say. The reviews about Houston Window Experts online are among the best we've ever seen. Customers simply rave about the windows, the price, and most importantly, Jeff and the team's honesty and integrity. Houston Window Experts is an Angie's List Super Service Award winner. The Ludys, Jeff, Sandra, Joshua, and Jessica simply will not let their clients down. They simply don't operate like most in the window business. No hard sales pitches, no dishonesty. Just the Ludy family helping other families improve their homes with great windows and great service. A lost art. Congratulations to the team at Houston Window Experts, where it pays to talk to an expert on this national honor from Best of the Best, and more importantly, for doing business only one way for a long time. The right way. Congratulations, guys. You earned it.